Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I just want to go over these Commando broom and mop grippers. So it's these three right here that come in a package, and so the way it works is that these adhere to your wall as shown here. So it's a double-sided adhesive sticky tape, and you actually just stick it straight into the wall, and it actually doesn't damage your wall. Now I really have been using this for well over a couple months now, and I must say it really does a good job. The only downside isn't, it's not due to the actual Commando strips, but it's more so due to the items that you actually place in it. So as you can see here, I have one of my brooms, but the thing is that the circumference of this broom is super skinny, so that it's not actually going to be able to grip it once I put it into the strip. Now the way this works is that once you pull it out, this is what it looks like, but if you actually place it inside, it's going to grip onto it. Now keeping in mind what I mentioned earlier is that if the circumference of your broom is really skinny, then it's not going to be able to get a good grip on it until it actually hits a ledge. Unlike this broom here, where the circumference is much larger, it's able to actually grip and hold on to it so that it doesn't just slide down. So to demonstrate once again, it really depends on the type of broom that you have, but you can see that once I actually put it or pull it or put it in, you'll see that the broom starts to slide down until it locks in, just like right over there. But still, it does a good job at actually holding it. It's not the biggest make or break, but yeah, I mean, these Commando strips, they hold a decent amount of weight. I'll be getting 3 more to add right over to here. But if you're thinking about getting them, just make sure that, you know, your object isn't so heavy. But yeah, this is essentially what I got. Now, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.